Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save WeChat group to contact. Very easy tip. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about how best to use WeChat. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to save WeChat group to contacts on WeChat. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on here. Next thing you need to do is to select the group. So I'm going to click on here to select my group. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots at the top. So I'm going to click on it. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this particular button right here, just to turn it on. Save to contact. So with that, you have successfully saved your WeChat group to contact without any stress. Hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about how best to use WeChat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you